Hi, Gabby again. I'm going to be discussing chapters 12, 13, 16, and 17 for my speech communications class. In chapter 12, it talks about using language, the meaning of words, using language accurately and clearly, and using language vividly and appropriately, appropriate to the occasion, the audience, the topic, and the speaker. And it talks about inclusive language as well. Chapter 13 is about delivery of the message. What is a good delivery and the methods of delivery? You've got manuscript, memory, impromptu, or extemporaneously. The speaker's voice. You've got volume, pitch, rate, pauses, vocal variety, pronunciation, articulation, and dialect. You've got the speaker's body, the personal appearance, the movement and the hand gestures, and the eye contact. And it talks about practicing delivery, answering audience questions, and presenting your speech online. You need to understand the special nature of the online environment, know your technology, control the visual environment, adapt your non-verbal communication, adjust your pacing for the online environment, manage question and answers for the online environment, rehearse for the online environment, and have a backup plan. Chapter 16 is about speaking to persuade, the importance of persuasion, ethics in persuasion, and the psychology of persuasion, which that falls under the challenges of persuasive speaking, how listeners process persuasive messages, and the target audience. The first thing it talks about is questions of fact. What are questions of fact? Analyzing questions of fact and organizing speeches on questions of fact. And the second one is questions of value. What are questions of value? Analyzing questions of value and organizing speeches on questions of value. And the third would be questions of policy. What are questions of policy? What are the types of speeches on questions of policy? Analyzing questions of policy and organizing speeches on questions of policy. And then problem, cause, solution order, comparative advantages order, and Monroe's motivated sequence are two of those. And then chapter 17 is about the methods of persuasion. You want to build your credibility, your factors of credibility, types of credibility, and enhancing credibility. Using evidence, how evidence works, and tips for using evidence. And then reasoning. Reasoning from specific instances, reasoning from principle, casual reasoning, analogical reasoning, and fallacies, and appealing to emotions. What are emotional appeals, generating emotional appeal, and ethics and emotional appeal.